Hello students, how are you all? Hope all of you are well. Today we are going to discuss class 6 maths exercise 3.3 question number 3. In the previous video I had explained you about the question number 2 and I hope all of you have understand about question number 2. Now let's start question number 3. Question number 3 is also similar just like question number 2. Using divisibility test, determine which of the following numbers are divisible by 6. In the previous video we have just seen about the divisibility of 4 and 8. Now we are going to solve the divisibility test by 6 using divisibility tests using divisibility tests. Determine which of the following numbers are divisible by 6. Which of the following numbers are divisible by 6? So first of all, tell me what is the rule of divisibility by 6? Divisibility by 6 means a number should be divisible by 2 also and a number should be divisible by 3 also. Then only that number will be divisible by 6. Now what is the divisibility rule of 2? A number must have even number at its ones place, like 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Means it must be divisible by 2. For that, the number must have even number on its ones place or unit place. And what's about the 3? The sum of the numbers should be a multiple of 3. So 2 and 3 rule we know very well, and 6 rule is a number which is divisible by 2 and 3 both, then that number is divisible by 6. So here there are some numbers they have given, A to A, B, C, D, after then E, F, G, H, I, J. Till J the numbers have given, okay. Now we have to check the number is divisible by 6 or not. So first of all let us write the number. The numbers are, A is 297,144. 297,144. The B is 1258. C is 4335. D is 61233. E is 901352. F is 438750. G is 1790. H is 12583. I is 639210. And the last one, J is 17852. So first of all, what we should do, all these numbers we should check that they are divisible by 2 or not. Divisible by 2 or not. Divisible by 2. After then divisible by 3. And finally divisible by 6. So here you can check that these numbers are divisible or not. So what is the rule of divisibility of 2? Can you tell me? So what is the rule of divisibility by 2? Means it must have even number on the ones place. So you can see it is having 4. So definitely it is divisible by 2. 8, yes. 5, no. 3, no. 2, yes. 0, yes. 4, yes. 3, no. 0, yes. And 2, yes. So you have seen here 1, 2, 3 number is not going to be divisible by 6. Why they are not going to be divisible by 6? Because this number which is not divisible by 2 will be not divisible by 6 also. Why? Because the divisibility rule of 6 is a number must be divisible by 2 also, and a number must be divisible by 3 also. Then only that number is going to be divisible by 6. So here you can see divisible by 2 we have seen. Now the divisible by 3. 2 plus 9, 11, 11 plus 7, 18 plus 1, 19 plus 4, 23 plus 4, 27. 27 is divisible by multiple of 3? Yes. 3 9s are 27, right? You can count one more time. 2 plus 9, 11, 11 plus 7, 18 plus 1, 19 plus 4, 23 plus 4, 27. So this number is divisible by 2, this number is divisible by 3, therefore hence this number will be divisible by 6 also. So if anybody will ask you 2, 9, 7, 1, 4, 4 is divisible by 6, then you have to just answer yes, this number is divisible by 6. If they will ask you how, then you can say because this number is divisible by 2 also and this number is divisible by 3 also. So that's why if the number is divisible by 2 and 3 both, then that number is divisible by 6 also. Now come to the question number B. You can see in this question, now 1, 2, 5, 8 is divisible by 2. What's about the 3? 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 5, 8. 8 plus 8, 16. 16 is not a multiple of 3. 3 5 the 15 is there. 16 is not a multiple. Right? So this number will be not divisible by 6. No. Got it? Since this number is divisible by 2, but it is not divisible by 3, therefore this number will be not divisible by 6. Now come, this number is not divisible by 2 because it is not having even digit at its ones place. Let's check about 3. 4 plus 3, 7. 7 plus 3, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. Yes, 15 is a multiple of 3, therefore it is divisible by 3. Since it is not divisible by 2 and divisible by 3, therefore this number will be not divisible by 6. It must be divisible by both, then only that number will be divisible by 6. Now check the fourth one. 6, 1, 2, 3, 3. This number is not divisible by 2. But 3, 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 6, 15. 15 is a multiple of 3. It is not divisible by 2. It is divisible by 3. Hence it is not divisible by 6. Now, what's about this number? 901352. This number is divisible by 2. Can you tell me this number is divisible by 3 or not? So what you will do? You have to just add this number. How you will add? 9 plus 0, 9, 9 plus 1, 10, 10 plus 3, 13, 5, 18 plus 2, 20. 20 is not multiple of 3. Since this number is divisible by 2 but not divisible by 3, therefore this number is not divisible by 6. What's about this number? You can check this number. 4 plus 3. See, since it is having 0 at its one place, so this number is divisible by 2. But what's about the 3? You can check here. That is this number divisible by 3? What you will do? You will add this number. 4 plus 3, 7. 7 plus 8, 15. 15 plus 7, 22. 22 plus 5, 27. Yes, 27 is a multiple of 3. One more time. 4 plus 3, 7. 7 plus 8, 15. 15 plus 7, 22. 22 plus 5, 27. 27 plus 0, 27. So 27 is a multiple of 3. Hence this number is divisible by 3. Since it is divisible by both 2 and 3, so that's why this number is divisible by 6 also. What's about this question? 1790184. Yes, it is divisible by 2. What's about the 3? 1 plus 7, 8. 8 plus 9, 17. 17 plus 0, 17. 17 plus 1, 18. 18 plus 8, 26. 26 plus 4, 30. One more down. Count it. 1 plus 7, 8. 8 plus 9. 9 plus 8 means 17. 17 plus 0, 17. 17 plus 1, 18. 18 plus 8, 26. 26 plus 4, 30. Yes, 30 is a multiple of 3. Since this number is divisible by 2 and 3 both, therefore this number will be divisible by 6 also. Got it? Now let's come to this number. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 5, 8. 8 plus 8, 16 plus 3, 19. It is not divisible by 3 also. Not divisible by 2, not divisible by 3, therefore not divisible by 6 also. What's about this number? 6 plus 3, 9. 9 plus 9, 18. 18 plus 2, 20. 20 plus 1, 21. Yes, 21 is a multiple of 3. Since this number is divisible by 2, divisible by 3, therefore this number will be divisible by 6 also. Last one, 1 plus 7, 8, 8 plus 8, 16, 16 plus 5, 21, 21 plus 2, 23. One more time, count it. 1 plus 7, 8, 8 plus 8, 16. 16 plus 5. Can you tell me what will be the 16 plus 5? 21. 21 plus 2, 23. 23 is not a multiple of 3. Hence, this number will be not divisible by 6. So, what is the rule of divisibility by 6? The rule of divisibility by 6 is a number must be divisible by 2 also and divisible by 3 also. As you have seen in this table, as I have shown you, that if the number is divisible by 2, divisible by 3, then only that number is divisible by 6. Otherwise, that number is not divisible by 6. You have seen, it is divisible by 2, but not divisible by 3. So, hence, these numbers are not divisible by 6 also. So, as you have seen, if you have any doubt related to this video, then you can just share your doubts. So, this was our question number 3, right? After getting the rules of question number 3, now we will move towards the question number 4. So, as you have seen about the 2 and 3, let's check the answer. The answers are right or not. The first one answer is, on adding all the digits, the sum is 27. 27 is divisible by 3. Hence, this number is divisible by 3 also. As the number is divisible by 2 and 3 both, so that is divisible by 6. Means, as you have done, if you are having any doubt related to this video, then you can just arise the doubt. You can put your doubt into the comment box section. So now can we move towards the question number 4? In this, we have to, by using the divisibility test, determine which of the following are divisible by 11. Question number 4 is about the 11. Nothing is changed. Here it is just divisible by 11. Okay, and this is question number 4. So, as you have seen in the question number 4, using the divisibility test, determine which of the following of the number are divisible by 11. So, what is the rule of divisible by 11? Can you tell me? I hope all of you have learned about the divisibility test of 11. The rule of divisibility test of 11 is the sum of odd number and the sum of even numbers difference must be divisible of 11, then only there will be divisibility of 11. Got it? So first of all we will write either the sum of all the odd digits number and the sum of even digits number must be divisible by, the difference must be divisible by 11. So the number will be divisible by 11. Here we can write the sum of odd numbers and sum of even numbers, and here difference. Divisible by 11. How many questions are there? Till F only we are having question. Okay, so no need to worry. Yes, IJ is not there. Only few questions are there here. So here numbers are 5, 4, 4, 5. 5, 4, 4, 5. Second number is 10824. 10824. Third number is 71389. 7138965. Right? Right. 70169. 70169. 308. 308. Now this number 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 plus 1. Right? Is it right? Just check the question. Yes, it is right. Now 901153. 90115. So can you tell me what is the rule of divisibility by 11? Is this number divisible by 11 or not? So what is the rule? Can you tell me? Sum of odd number and sum of even numbers difference must be divisible by 11. So you can tell that number is divisible by 11. So remember, dear students, whenever anybody will ask you what is the divisibility rule of 11, so what you have to say, you have to just say that the difference between the sum of digit at odd place from the right side and the sum of digits at even place from the right side of the number is difference either 0 or divisible by 11. See, from right side, from this side, odd number 1, 2, 3, 4. So all the sum of odd number means 5 plus 4 minus 4 plus 5. Odd number sum and even number sum. So here difference of odd number sum and even number sum. Got it? Difference of odd number sum and difference of even number sum. Difference of odd number sum and even number sum. Difference means minus of odd number sum and minus of even number sum. And here either the value should be 0 or the value should be 0 or it should be divisible by 11, or it should be divisible by 11. It should be divisible by 11. Got it? Means the difference, either you should get the value, it must be 0 or it must be divisible by 11. So 5 plus 4, 9. 9 minus 9 is equal to 0. If the 0 comes, then this number is divisible by 1. Got it? If 0 it doesn't comes, any number comes, then that number should be divisible by 11. Then only that number is divisible by 11. So as we have seen here, what we have done? We have taken the odd number and even numbers. And after taking the odd number and even number, as we are getting the result 0. So yes, this number is divisible by 0. Now what we do? See here, odd numbers 1, 2, 3 means 4 plus 8 plus 1 minus 2 plus 0. 2 plus 0. So 8, 4, 12 plus 1, 13 minus 2, 11. Is 11 divisible of 11? Yes. So this number will be divisible of 11. Check the third one. 5 plus 9 plus 3 plus 7. 5 plus 9 plus 3 plus 7 minus 6 plus 8 plus 1. 6 plus 8 plus 1. 5 plus 9, 14 plus 3, 17, 17 plus 7, 24. Sorry, that's it. Not this side. We have to just write this. So 5 plus 9, 14 plus 3, 17 plus 7, 24 minus 8 plus 6, 14 plus 1, 15. So what will be the result? The result will be 24 minus 15. 5 plus 4, 9. 9 is not divisible by 11. So this number is not divisible by 11. Let's check this number. 8 plus 3 plus 6 plus 0. 8 plus 3 plus 6 plus 0. 8 plus 3 plus 6 plus 0 minus 0 plus 9 plus 1 plus 7. 0 plus 9 plus 1 plus 7. 6 plus 3, 9, 9 plus 6, 15 minus 9 plus 1, 10, 10 plus 1, 17 is equal to minus 2. Minus 2 is not divisible by 11. So this number is not divisible by 11. What's about this number? Here you can see 1, 0, 0, 0. So 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. Right? So 0, 0 is divisible by this number. So yes, it is divisible by 1. Got it? So this number will be divisible by 11. What's about this number? 3 plus 1 plus 0. 3 plus 1 plus 0 minus 5 plus 1 plus 9. 5 plus 1 plus 9. 3 plus 1, 4 minus 9, 1, 10, 15. 15, 4 minus 15 minus 11. Yes, it is divisible by 11. So yes, this number will be divisible by 11. So as you have seen that how many numbers are divisible by 11, you can easily check these numbers and you can easily write that this number is divisible by 11 or not. If you are having any doubt related to this video, then please drop your doubt into the comment box section so I can understand that you are not able to understand the divisibility rule. I will explain in the next video. That's all for today. Thank you very much. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Share this channel with your friends so they can be also benefited during this lockdown. That's all for today. Thank you very much.